Hi, my name is David Kolman. I'm an associate editor at Corrosion Journal, and I'm excited to introduce a new manuscript in Corrosion Journal regarding the corrosion behavior of explosively welded titanium and stainless steel by researchers at the Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai. Explosive welding allows you to join dissimilar metals, can be joined using conventional techniques. And because of the violent manner in which the materials are joined, the resulting joint includes some really complicated and interesting metallurgy. And as we all know, welds are often failure points in engineered structures. So understanding the behavior of these joints is really critical, not just from a scientific standpoint, but also from an applied standpoint as well. So again, this study looks at the corrosion behavior of two very important engineering materials, titanium and austenitic stainless steel. And I won't give away the findings, but I hope you enjoy reading this manuscript. Thanks.